2019 Ford Edge, and maybe a few other years. In-cab filter change. If you're using the FRAM brand, it's gonna be this CV 11775. That's the filter, and to replace it, it's over here inside your glove compartment. So you push the button over here, the first thing you do. Then if you look inside, there's this little hole you're gonna have to unhook. Not the hole, but the little rod. You're gonna have to push it up, slide through the hole to release it, and then there's one tab at the top on the right and one tab on the left. So to remove that, you gotta push it up here and push it up over here, and then this will nicely drop down like this, and that's where you have your filter. You just undo it like that, hook it up so you wouldn't remove all of the dust. Gently and remove it and throw it away. It comes inside this plastic bag, so it's all clean and N95 and all of that. So I don't know, how often you have to change it, but since I just bought this vehicle, I want to have a fresh smell. So it's obviously easier to do with two hands. But if you do it with one, so I have to push it left, right, left, right. Well, I'll tell you what, this filter sits in there a little bit tighter than the one that I just removed. So to lock it up, you gotta push it down a little bit on it. Click it just like that. Close it until it clips. Then you slide this rod, lock it over here, and that's it. And that's how you replace it. It's all done just like that. All hidden. Thank you for watching this video.